How is the passage organized? This is a structure-based question, so let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph talks about the identification and prediction of patterns. The second paragraph talks about how pattern thinking can be tested. The third paragraph talks about pattern thinking leading to problems or irrational thinking. And the fourth paragraph talks about pattern thinking evolving as a survival mechanism. So overall, the passage talks about predicting patterns, how it can be tested, what it may lead to, and how it evolved. So let's look at the answer choices in this context. Answer choice A. A cognitive process is explained and methods to test it are cited. It is correct to state that the first paragraph talks about the identification and prediction of patterns, which relates to a cognitive process, and the second paragraph talks about the methods to test it, such as testing via optical illusion. But this reference of methods to test is limited in scope. Also, this answer choice does not do justice to the third and the fourth paragraphs of the passage. So this answer choice does not correctly explain the structure of the passage. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice A. A cognitive process is explained and its linkage with superstitions are discussed. It is correct to state that the first paragraph explains the cognitive process of identification and prediction of patterns. Also, the third paragraph talks about superstition as a problem of discovering patterns that do not exist. However, this reference to superstitions is limited only to the third paragraph, and this answer choice does not do justice to the passage as a whole. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C. A cognitive process is elaborated and its ill effects are criticized. It is correct to state that the first paragraph elaborates the cognitive process of identification and prediction of patterns, and the third paragraph discusses the problems associated with discovering patterns that are either incidental or do not exist. So this discussion would relate to the ill effects of the cognitive process. However, this reference to ill effects is limited in scope and cannot do justice to the entire organization of the passage. Additionally, the passage simply mentions the ill effects and does not criticize them. So this answer choice as a whole does not explain the organization of the passage. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. A cognitive process is elaborated and its origins are discussed. It is correct to state that the first paragraph talks about the identification and prediction of patterns, which relates to the cognitive process. And the fourth paragraph talks about survival instinct leading to prediction of patterns. However, this discussion related to the origins is limited to scope only to the fourth paragraph and doesn't do justice to the entire passage. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E. A cognitive process is elaborated and its origin and implications are analyzed. Yes, this is what the mind map implies, because the passage talks about identification and prediction of patterns as the cognitive process, discusses its implications in terms of it leading to problems and irrational thinking, and also discusses its evolution, that is the origin, through a survival mechanism. So this answer choice correctly explains the organization of the passage. E is the correct answer choice.